Do you want to subscribe to news channels on YouTube but you're not sure how? I'm here to help you with that. So let's get started. First of all, you open up your YouTube app, then you go to the home menu. From here, you click on the icon up here, the first one that looks like a compass. Then you see the options. Now you click on news. This will help you to access all news channels, so you can see all the news channels, top stories, sport news, entertainment news, business news, technology news, world, national, science, health, all the categories of news. So once you've done this, let's say you want to subscribe to a particular one. So let's say this one. What you do is you first of all play it. Okay, now this is the channel itself, 2024 Democratic National Congress Channels Television. So if you want to subscribe to it, just simply click on subscribe, and that's it. But if you have a change of mind and want to unsubscribe, just click on notification bell and click on unsubscribe. And that's all it takes to subscribe and unsubscribe to news channels on YouTube. You can do this for as many news channels as you want. Hope you found this video helpful. I'm sure you did. So hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more. We put up helpful tips like this every day. Thanks for watching.